just finished my Pure Barre workout and it was rough. Can you stop chewing stuff? Please. Rena? And you're gonna do it again? What is your obsession? What is your obsession with it? It's a tag. It's not gonna hurt you. Can you? No. Alrighty. It's all yours. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
점은 매우 희망적이지. 될 수 있는 최고급 명품 기체라서 그 정도 풍속.
내 옆자리야 그래? 싫어요. 결정을
Oh my god, it's hot. Hot. So this is my milk bread. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm just gonna let it cool overnight. It's almost 10 p.m. and here I am making bread instead of going to bed when I have work at 4:30 in the morning. But that's fine. Hello everyone, I just got home from work. I quickly showered and changed because I felt pretty sweaty and gross, but now I'm gonna make something to eat because I'm really hungry. So let's do that. Also, it's pretty dark and gloomy outside right now. It's coming down pretty hard, so I'm gonna use my milk bread that I made yesterday. I'm gonna make a tuna sandwich, and this is the brand that I've been loving lately. It's by Fishwife. They have the best canned fish, and the packaging is also so cute. So this is what I'm using. This does not look very appetizing, but it will be delicious. So that's all that matters. Okay, now I'm gonna go eat. Hello everyone, I just got back from my DMV renewal appointment. This is how my driver's license turned out. You see? I'm actually surprised that it turned out that well, especially since I was crying all day yesterday. So my face was extremely puffy and inflamed, but I'm glad that you can't really tell in the photo. But speaking of yesterday, if you know me, you know that I do not cry, or I'll cry like once or twice a year. I don't know, yesterday just weighed very heavily on me, and I journaled to get all the thoughts and feelings that I was feeling and thinking out on paper, and it did make me feel better. But I feel like right now I'm like I'm here, but I'm not here. It's like a fog. I don't know how to describe it, but I started a new book called The Body Keeps the Score. I've been trying to get back into reading for the longest time, and I guess all that I needed was to have a mental breakdown, and that would get me back into reading. But yeah, it's interesting so far. I'm just gonna keep on reading that because I feel like I relate to it a bit, and I don't know, it's interesting hearing other people's stories. So yeah, I honestly don't know what to do. I honestly just want to lay in bed and do nothing for the rest of the day, but I'm gonna attempt to be somewhat productive as I can get right now. But yeah, that's just how I've been feeling right now. I thought I'd update you guys since it's very evident on my face and how I've been speaking lately that I have not been in the best mindset or mood lately. So yeah, I'm gonna go do some editing, and yeah.
이렇지 않아도 어머니가 정했던 물건이 궁금해합니다. 일반 평이 쓰시면 오늘은 이만 가고 갔습니다.
이번 명
메이크 알아. 이거지.
Guys, please. What are you? Oh my god. Why? Guys, what are you doing? I made a last minute decision to go on vacation for a few days. I'm going to be spending 4 days and 3 nights in Miami. My birthday is actually today, and I'm leaving in a few hours, so I have to pack. But yeah, I just feel like I need some time alone, just spend some time alone with myself, especially after having such a hectic week and just working nonstop. I just feel like I need a break from myself to just mentally recharge and enjoy life for a moment. Yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm gonna start packing, get myself together, and then leave. Pack in peace, please. Guys, will it close? Am I interrupting your sleep? Alright. Hi, Clem.